Welcome aboard Anthem of the Seas. We are in room 12290. Let's do a tour. So this room is an extra large balcony. It is aft on the ship, and as you'll see, it's got a little extra long, well, it's not really extra long, but you've got a little extra space when you walk in. You have a great full-length mirror, and then your bathroom. Doug, she'll take us on a tour.
Shower. A little important foot holder for when I'm shaving my legs. A toilet. I can even do this like Nikki. Look, there are shelves and glasses. And oh look, the towels, products. Let's see what product it is.
Okay, give me the thing.
It's Gentile.
Give me the product. Gentle bath soap. Okay, here we are. We got the bathroom. You got lots of nice shelves here. Hey, good sized countertop, not too bad. Little sink. You have all your towels. And then your shower. So I will say here, the shower has the body wash, hair body wash thing. They don't give you the little packages anymore, which I'm not a fan of. I understand, save the environment. So it's not really, that's not my issue with it. My issue is that people have used that before. And personally, I don't know, that just kind of bothers me. And you have a hook in here too, so you have a couple places to hang towels, robes, good sized shower, and then more hooks on the back of the door. Don't forget you have a step. It's a nice sized bathroom. So we just wanted to show you from taking the shot from the balcony looking in. It's actually a very nice sized room. There's two large cabinets on either side of the bed, which is a nice new thing that we haven't seen on a lot of the ships. So this is awesome. This is a full-length one with two hanging areas, which is great because you can never have enough hanging stuff. We'll check that out later because I usually bring all of my stuff that's on hangers and then I just hang it up. It's quick and it's easy. And then above the bed, you have more space, two of those. How much space? Like tons. It's awesome. This side of the bed has a plug and some shelves. Nice little ambiance, the bed area with the little lights. So we saw this great size cabinet, and then on this side you have a full-length mirror, and from your bed you have a nice large TV area with some little shelves to keep books and things so they're not flying all over. So on the other side of the bed, this is again a full one, but a little bit structured a little bit differently. Safe. And if you need more hangers, you can just ask them for more hangers right away. Bottom, two large drawers. I mean, there's definitely a lot of space. I don't see any plugs though on this side of the bed. Just the phone. So this person gets the phone and no plugs. What's with that? And in terms of space and putting the luggage itself, if you haven't cruised before, the space under the bed is where all of the luggage goes. It all fits perfectly. However they've designed it, it's exactly the right height of normal size suitcases. So literally you can fit 4 suitcases and sometimes small carry-ons under the bed.
Okay, a quick interruption to show you how a huge amount of luggage packs away nicely and neatly in these rooms. It's actually pretty amazing.
Okay, so we have 3 large suitcases, 1 carry-on bag. We still have 2 other bags, but right now we're going to start with these. Were we worried that we were able to make these disappear in the room?
No, we were not worried we were going to make these disappear in the room.
Okay, make them disappear. Put them under the bed. Under the bed they go. It's easy done.
Uno, dos, tres.
So far, so good. Boom. And they disappear. And one more.
Oh, it's easy.
Lots of space. Lots of space under the bed to make them disappear.
Gone.
So we have that full-size cabinet, and then you have a nice desk area here with a cute little chair and, you know, a mirror that has a light around it, which is great for doing makeup. Couch here is a nice little lounging one. It's definitely larger than most of the couches or chair areas that are in most balcony cabins, because this is I think it's a larger, extra large cabin, which allows for this extra space here, which is great. And another bonus is having this actual dresser here, and this big space here. You'll find your fridge.
Mini bar.
Find your mini bar. But there's some like weird lock on it.
We have to interrupt this. Look at the cool container ship leaving. All you boys at home, look, there's a tugboat. How fun is a tugboat?
That little tugboat pushing this ginormous container ship. And then in the distance, yeah, Manhattan. On this side, we have a great dresser, which is a nice little added feature, which you have a bunch of drawers, and in this one here, you have your mini bar, and you know, just the decor in here is really nice. They've added actually, you know, obviously a light that's built in.
Miss Nicole, what's the pretty thing on the top of the counter there?
Oh, okay, so this does not come with the room. We brought that, but you do, as I believe, a diamond member, you get some cookies they deliver to your room. So that's nice. Oh, the Cookie Monsters come.
Cameraman.
Cameraman.
Getting
Cookie
paid
Monster.
for his work.
And the blinds here, I believe, are blackout blinds, but they do cross over, which is a huge thing because light always comes in. So I think we're going to be good on this one. Now for the balcony. Again, extra large balcony, and it's on, I guess, what they call the bump.
Cruise terms decoded, Doug style. The bump, not all that complicated, see, because it's straight along here, and then those rooms bump out. See how they straight bumps out and goes around? That's where we are, except on the other half. So that's why we have a larger than normal balcony.
Thank you, Doug.
Well, anytime.
So, this is your mini bar that has a lock on it. I'm not sure. Doug, would you decode it for us, please?
Keeps the children and the in-laws out.
Okay, how do you get in?
You go like this.
I thought it was locked. Okay, that's hilarious. Oh, it's
And then you
cute.
go like that to close it.
Okay.
And to open it, you go like this.
And
then you close it like that.
Oh, I didn't read it. I thought it was like locked. On your desk area, you will arrive to your cruise compass and a bunch of other notes and things that they have left for you. And of course, as always, here we have our plug situation. You've got a couple USBs and 2 US plugs, but we're going to show you later how you can turn that into more ports.
Stay tuned for some outtakes from this shoot.
First, get on board. Your key is going to be in this little... I lost it. I lost the key.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Anthem of the Seas. We are very excited to invite you to experience Perkard with all.
Good night.
What?
Give me the thing.
Why can't I do it?
Because you're being silly.
Now back to our regularly scheduled show.
I hope this room tour was helpful to you in making your decision to choose either this room or a similar large balcony room, and just to see the decor in Anthem of the Seas. If you have any questions related to this room or cruising, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and we're happy to answer them.